Boom! Welcome to the world of phototropism, an extraordinary phenomenon that discloses the silent dance between the graceful plants that surround us and the nurturing sunlight that paints our world with warmth and hues. Every day, you are an audience to this dance, this silent and ancient ritual, as plants extend towards the sun, yearning for the light they crave. Plants have a remarkable built-in guidance system, akin to a GPS, that steers their growth towards the golden radiance of the sun. This complex system has been refined over millions of years of evolution, sculpting the flora that we behold today. This dance, this quest for the sky is not a mere act, but a vital aspect of plants' survival. In the grand plan, it's all about survival, folks. Each stretch, bend, twist is a testament to the incredible perseverance for existence that these gentle beings witness daily. Sunlight for plants is like air for us, not merely a choice, but a requirement. Sunlight corresponds to photosynthesis, the process where plants transform light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy that can be later utilized to fuel their activities. In essence, photosynthesis is the method by which plants create their food. Now you might wonder, how does this occur? How do plants grow towards the light? The answer lies in the minuscule world of plant cells. The unsung heroes here are tiny cells known as auxins. These cells are like the control center of plant growth and development. When sunlight hits one side of a plant, auxins, similar to a well-coordinated army, rush to the darker side of the plant. They stimulate and hasten growth on that side, causing the plant to bend towards the light source. The result? The plant leans, bends, or grows towards the light. This is, in essence, a beautiful ballet of nature, orchestrated by the laws of science. Delving deeper into the science of phototropism, did you know that Charles Darwin was one of the first scientists to study phototropism? Along with his son Francis, Darwin conducted numerous experiments to comprehend how plants bend towards light. They discovered that the tip of the plant, or the coleoptile, was the part that sensed light. When they covered the tip with a cap, the plant did not bend towards the light. This led to the discovery of auxins, the plant hormones that govern growth. Auxins are produced in the plant's tip and then transported down the stem where they induce cell elongation. The side of the plant that is away from the light has more auxins and therefore grows faster, causing the plant to bend towards the light. This is how plants chase the sun. Quite fascinating, isn't it? So when you see a sunflower trailing the sun, or any plant reaching out for the light, remember, it's not magic or mere coincidence. It's a complex dance orchestrated by the principles of science. It's phototropism, an inherent mechanism tailored to ensure the survival of the green beings that inhabit our planet. It is nature's solar panel, soaking in the sunlight to create and sustain life. It's a miraculous process that highlights the intricate ties that bind every living thing on this vibrant, living planet. As the sun sets and the plants rest, readying for another day of reaching for the sun, we pause to admire the astonishing world of nature around us. We marvel at the delicate balance, the complex dance, and the silent symphony of life that unfolds every day. We recognize the power and beauty of phototropism, a phenomenon that exemplifies the resilience and adaptability of life. And as we embark into the night, leaving the sun-kissed plants to their slumber, we carry with us a newfound admiration for nature's miracles. Continuing our journey into the captivating world of phototropism, let's zoom into the microscopic universe of a plant. Picture a bustling city with its citizens, the auxin cells, diligently working towards their goal. These tiny architects are the masterminds behind the spectacular phenomenon of phototropism. When sunlight graces one side of the plant, auxins, akin to a well-trained task force, scurry to the darker side. They stimulate and expedite growth on this side, causing the plant to bend towards the light. Our animations will depict this intricate process, showing you how these microscopic heroes command the plant's movement towards the sun. Now, not all plants respond to sunlight in the same way. Some exhibit strong phototropism, while others show a weaker response. Take the case of sunflowers. These vibrant plants are the poster children for phototropism. They possess a unique ability to rotate their heads, following the sun's path throughout the day. This phenomenon, known as heliotropism, is a type of phototropism. It's a thrilling sight, watching a field of sunflowers sway in unison, like a crowd at a concert. All heads turn towards the star of the show, the sun. On the flip side, some plants exhibit weaker phototropism, bending only slightly towards the light. Despite the lesser degree, it's still an essential survival strategy, enabling these plants to make the most of the available sunlight. The benefits of phototropism are manifold. It allows plants to maximize their exposure to sunlight, leading to more efficient photosynthesis. Remember, photosynthesis is the process by which plants transform sunlight into the energy they need to grow. So, by bending towards the light, plants are essentially optimizing their food production. They are making the most of the resources available to them, a lesson we could all learn from. So, as we delve into the world of auxins and phototropism, remember that this isn't just about plants bending towards the light. It's about survival and adaptation. It's about the intricate balance of nature and the silent symphony of life that unfolds every day. It's about the small miracles that take place in the world around us, often unnoticed. And that's the beauty of phototropism. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of this fascinating phenomenon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants.